The dawn of spring brings with it a renewed sense of hope, wonder, and beauty. As the sun rises higher in the sky, it casts a gentle light on a world that's awakening from its winter slumber. And what better way to celebrate this season of rebirth and renewal than with Easter, a holiday that's all about love, family, and joy today. We'll explore a unique and natural way to decorate your home for this festive occasion. Natural Easter egg dyes. If you've never heard of this technique before, I will show you. Natural egg dye is a beautiful and eco-friendly way to decorate your home for Easter. Instead of using artificial dyes, you can use ingredients from nature to create stunning colors and designs. It's a fun and easy way to unleash your creativity and make something truly special. To make natural dyes, you can use ingredients like red cabbage and blueberries for the color blue, spinach, parsley, and nettle for green, turmeric, saffron and onion skins for yellow, peats and cranberries for red or pink, coffee and tea for brown, paprika and carrot tops for orange. To make the dyes, simply chop the ingredients and simmer them in water with a splash of vinegar for about 30 minutes. Let the liquid cool and then strain it. Now, submerge your eggs in the dye for a few hours or overnight, depending on the desired intensity of the color. The longer you soak them, the deeper the hue will be. And there you have it, a palette of natural colors to create your own Easter egg masterpieces. Now that we have our natural dyes ready, you can use wax, tape, or rubber bands to create patterns or designs on the eggs before dipping them in the dye. Let your creativity guide you. Once you've created your beautiful natural painted eggs, it's time to start decorating your home for Easter. Here are some ideas to inspire you. Nestle them in a bed of hay or moss and place them in a decorative bowl or basket. Use them as place card holders by adding a name tag or ribbon around the egg. Create an egg tree centerpiece by hanging the eggs on branches or twigs. Use them as part of a wreath or garland, interweaving them with fresh flowers and greens. As we come to the end of our Easter eggs ideas journey, let us remember the beauty and wonder of nature and how we can use it to create magical moments in our lives. Whether it's a simple basket of painted eggs or a table set with love and care, let us celebrate this season of renewal and joy. Thanks for watching this Easter decoration idea and natural egg painting tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and got some inspiration for your own Easter celebrations. I would love to hear from you now. What are your favorite Easter traditions or DIY ideas? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspirations. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and share it with your friends who might be interested for Easter decoration ideas. Happy Easter!